I'm so bored, Arav. This math chapter on patterns is just dots and dots everywhere.
Counting dots again and again is the most boring thing ever.
You two look like you've been defeated by a few dots. How about a real-world challenge?
Does it involve homework?
It involves pizza party. I'm building a laddu pyramid for the party tonight. I need it to be exactly 9 rows high.
I can build that. Give me the boxes.
If you tell me the exact number of laddu needed, I'll give you a pizza party.
Okay Ananya, let's start small.
For a 1-row pyramid, it's just 1 laddu.
For 2 rows, we need 1 plus 2. 3 laddu.
And for 3 rows, we need 1 plus 2 plus 3. 6 laddu.
For 4 rows, we add 4 more laddu, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 10 laddu.
Wait, Arav. Did you notice these totals 1, 3, 6, 10? These are triangular numbers.
Yeah, I can see the triangles, but how it can help us get pizza?
Teacher told that triangular numbers are simply the total obtained by adding consecutive counting numbers.
So for a 9-row pyramid, we need to add counting numbers till 9.
It's 45.
How did you figure it so quickly?
I know that the sum of 10 consecutive numbers is 55. So to get the sum of 9 consecutive numbers, subtract 10 from 55.
That's smart, Ananya.
So, you guys figured out?
The answer is 45, Papa.
Impressive. But, what if I needed a pyramid 100 rows high? Are you going to spend hours adding numbers?
That would take forever.
There has to be a faster way, a shortcut.
In math, we call that shortcut a rule. The rule is the invisible instruction that tells the pattern how to grow. It helps you jump straight to any term, no need to go step by step. Let's find the rule for triangular numbers. Arrange the laddu pyramids as shown. Turn their identical twins upside down and fit them against each other.
They lock together to make rectangles.
Right, notice that each rectangle has the same number of rows as the pyramid, but 1 extra column.
So for a 4-row pyramid, the rectangle would have 4 times 5, 20 laddu.
Correct, but since we only want 1 triangle, not 2.
We cut it in half. So, half of 20 is 10. That's the same answer we got by adding.
That is the rule. If a pyramid has n rows, then total number of laddu is given by n plus 1 by 2.
So for 100-row pyramid, it's 100 times 101 by 2.
That's 50 times 101, 5050 laddu.
Correct. No repeated addition needed. The rule turns addition in multiplication. Also, remember this as the formula for the sum of the first n counting numbers.
Well, Arav, patterns are actually quite interesting. To find any triangular number, you just take the row number, multiply it by the next number, and then cut it in half.